this is Tina from Shabbydabbydoodah. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to do an unboxing. I've obviously got my new room set up. Oops, got my new room set up. A bit of bead there, flicked across. Got my new room set up, and obviously with my new room set up, I can't use my existing camera tripod setup thingamajig because my lip on my island that I'm now working from is too small to clip it on. So I have ordered this new what do they call it? A desktop selfie live stand. It's called a Viozon ergonomic. And yep, it's a desktop selfie live stand. So let's get unboxing this. So this one does not clamp onto the desk. It actually just kind of stands up. So obviously I'm hoping that this is going to actually be more versatile generally. Because of course, you know, if I kind of do anything else, I'll be able to just actually take the whole stand with me, whereas when it's clamped onto the desk, you know, you can obviously unclamp it, but to be honest, the clamps do not work brilliantly when they are moved multiple times. They kind of then you know, the thread on the screw starts, you know, like weakening. So yeah, hopefully this is going to be a more practical solution anyway. And also this one comes with a light, so it's got a ring light attached to it, so I may or may not use the ring light. So this is the stand. So we have got obviously multiple pieces that it comes in. Oops, I'm so sorry, I'm knocking now my actual camera, which is just literally squished in place with a couple of books because, like I say, it won't clamp onto the desk. So not the best camera setup at the moment. So let's get all of these bits out. And then, like I say, I mean, I actually haven't unpacked this yet, so this is the actual unboxing. So we'll see together how quick and easy this is to put together. So I mean, obviously this is the base, so that's, you know, nice and apparent. So, and the base is very heavy. So even once it's got the weight of your camera and things, it's going to actually, you know, be held down nice and firm. Then we've got this, I assume goes on next. So I'm not a brilliant person for reading instructions, it's got to be said. Yeah, they're not kind of my favourite thing to do. Right, so we've got some little screws here. So if I just take out this one here, I assume is the one that goes with this. So yeah, this is going to clamp through here. So like I say, please excuse the fact that, you know, the view is perhaps not the best. You know, just trying to actually do this kind of whilst keeping it in view is not the easiest. So right, probably should have brought a screwdriver along with me, but in the absence of a screwdriver, let's just see if I can screw the, you know, the stand to the thingamabob, the stand to the screw. So right, well that's, yeah, not working brilliantly, to be honest, because of course I'm trying to keep it in view and yeah, it's wobbling all over the place. But that goes on like that, and then whoops, the next piece is, let's have a look. Oh, the next piece I think is this. So, yep, this one must go, right, I'm thinking perhaps we have to take this little gizmo here off, put this on, oops, oh, maybe not, oh, doesn't seem to want to go on, hold on a second, oh right, perhaps this needs to stay on, so yeah, my mistake, so put that back on. Like that, okay. Pull this bit out. So again, I really do apologise that this is not particularly in frame. Let me just move it off the desk a bit. So, right, so then we screw this bit here. Oh, it doesn't want to screw on here, so perhaps I need something else first. No, I don't think so. Right, hold on. Always just really good to be able to see how straightforward this is. So right, install the parallel connector, use the hex shaped knob screw to fix it on the pole. Ah, this. this. Right, okay. So, oh, perhaps it has to go. Oh, right, okay. So, yeah. Okay, so this has to come down here a bit more. With the pole, I'm thinking, yeah. So we then put this in here, and this is how this clamps onto the pole. Oh, so sorry about my rubbish demonstration of this, but like I say, I mean, it's always good to see how easy these things are, isn't it? And obviously, you know, if we can do it in a few minutes, then it's pretty easy. Right, so then I can get my ring light. So here, oh no, sorry, not the ring light yet. We're now onto the actual clamp piece itself. So this, I think, just screws onto here. Oh dear. Again, I really am not able to actually do this on camera. So yeah, I'm going to just have to twist it around like this. And obviously I'm going to tighten all this after the video, but just for the, you know, purposes of actually being able to film it, I'm going to actually just, you know, get it so that it's not literally coming off, but it's not obviously tightened on there. So that's that piece. Right. Use the screw to fasten the plastic adapter and LED light. So we have got the light here. Okay. And the light here. Use the screw. Oh, don't seem to have another screw, so hang on a second. Obviously you have missed something here. Ah, right, perhaps it's one of these things. No. Perhaps it's this. It says use the screw to fasten the adapter and LED light. Oh, I don't know what it means. I mean, these are Allen keys, obviously. Oh, perhaps I could have done the bottom with the Allen key. So, yeah, I didn't need a screwdriver after all. I thought it was strange that it hadn't told me to use an Allen key. Right, this is the piece for the light. I've just realised. So, where does this go? Okay, let's unscrew that. Oh, not sure how the light actually attaches. So, yeah, this will be interesting. Okay. Oh, I don't know now. Ah, right. Okay. So maybe it's no wanting us to do these. You know, when you look at the pictures and you think, well, this picture's not really making a great deal of sense to me. So this is the picture, and it says use the screw to fasten the LED light. So install the LED light and holder. I'm wondering if I've already used the screw that I shouldn't have used now. Oh, I don't know. No, I don't think I can have done, can I? Is there another screw anywhere? Or perhaps there was a screw in the bag or in the box with the light. Right. I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to actually attach this with the Allen key so that it's not flopping around. So hold on. Right, I've screwed the bottom on now with the Allen key. So I went back through the box with the, you know, the ring light, and sure enough, there is a little bolt here. So I've just now re-looked at the instructions, and this bolt obviously goes onto the ring light like this. So I'm just going to take the bolt, whoops, and attach it onto the ring light. Now I must just try and make sure that I'm putting it on the right way. So, yep, presumably like that. So just pop that on there and then take my screw and, yep, pop that in there. And obviously I've got the Allen keys here, so, yep, no need for a screwdriver. Okay, so I'm just going to tighten those up. Oh, that one's too big. Oops. I don't know why I thought this would be a good idea for a video, to be honest. But yeah, I know that sometimes, sorry. Sometimes people do ask, you know, what is my camera setup? So I just thought, actually, you know, some of you may like to see and, you know, check out what this, you know, little stand is like. Because obviously, you know, I don't know about you guys, but when I'm looking for things, you know, I do just go to YouTube quite often and sort of think, well, what's going to be the best solution for me? So that is that. Now what I have to do here is put the LED light, right, so if I want it on this little side portion, because I've got this portion here, which is where I obviously want my camera holder to go. So I want it to go on these bits here. So let's turn this round. Oops. And what I need to do is somehow attach this. Oops, I wonder if that goes like that. Right, okay. Ooh, this looks complicated. Right, okay, so what do we do here? Let me put my glasses on. It says remove the plastic ring on the holder. Yep. Put the ring on, tighten the plastic ring. So I can't really tell, but I think it must want to go here. Oops. Sorry, just flicking this all over the place. So I think that goes on like that, but that can't be quite right, I don't think. Oh, maybe. So I just clamp that on like that. Again, probably not really doing this in the best way, trying to do it on camera. I don't know whether that's, oh no, that's not clamped on there at all. Right, okay. That's clearly not quite right. Right, let me just see. So this must have to go, I don't know. Aha, right. So it clicks on. Once it's in place, it just clicks into the, or onto that ball. So twist this round here. Like that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is super, super fiddly. I need to turn this round, obviously, to do it. So, yeah, let me just turn this around now. Okay. Because otherwise I'm doing it from the back blind, which is not very easy. Right, there we go. So that just attaches like that. So I love this little mechanism for attaching things. I've not really seen those before, but yeah, it makes it very, very, very easy, I've got to say. And then my ring light. Oh. Now I'm thinking my ring light actually perhaps just went on there without that little clamp. Yeah, so perhaps my ring light actually just would attach on the other side. So yeah, mucked that up. I thought that was to get the ring light on there, but actually the ring light has got its own little thing and goes on exactly the same way. So again, just turn this over. Oh, I needed to have put that on first. Oh. Honestly, I do apologise for this. I should have probably checked this out before doing the unboxing, but I wanted it to be a true unboxing. And, you know, obviously if I had cheated and read the instructions first, it wouldn't really be a true unboxing, would it? So, right, okay. So that is done. And then all I need to now do, so I will move the camera in a minute and show you this once it's all assembled and, you know, completely done, so that you can see how it all kind of looks in the end. So then obviously the final thing is this is the device that's going to hold my phone in place. And again, it's just got another one of those little thingamabobs. So, oops, nearly did the same mistake again. Just want to put that over there. Slot that on like that. And then again, obviously just tighten that over the top of the little holder. So how cool is that? Right, okay, I'm going to clear up the desk and I'm going to show you the finished thing. Okay, so this is the finished article. So as you can see, so this is my ring light. Now obviously this hasn't been charged, it's got a USB port, so obviously I would need to, I don't know whether it would work just whilst it's plugged in or at least charge it up. So obviously the light's not working at the moment, but this is going to be my camera holder. So of course this is very flexible and, you know, can extend out over my workspace. This all upper, you know, lowers and, you know, becomes higher. So I can get obviously my view from my desk here. So this was my old one, and obviously I had propped it up there, as you can see, with the books to just film the, you know, putting together of this. So yeah, I hope that was useful. Obviously, as I say, it's the Viozon, and this has got a code here, LP4P installation instructions. So I'm guessing that that's the code name of the stand. But yeah, I hope that you found that video helpful. Obviously, you know, few kind of trial and error bits there, but I mean, all in all, it's taken us like 15 minutes to put it together, so not bad going. And this is a really nice sturdy base, so once my camera's in here, it's going to be quite well weighted down on the desk, hopefully not toppling over or anything like that. But yeah, got mine from Amazon. I think it was about £50, £55, and I will try and link it below. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks then. Bye.